All right, today's free lookup table is named Agfa Optima. We can use LUTs in Photoshop. You can use them in all kinds of video editing software. But for our demo, we're using this. So I've got the LUTs loaded in here, and we're going to go to the Agfa Optima. Let's try the film, and there we go. Before, after, really nice. Adds that film emulation look to your photo. And if you're looking for more lookup tables like this, check out the Complete Collection by Preset Pro. And for our demo here, we just use the film emulation collection. Let's go back in. Let's go to the Kodak Portra 160 film. There we go. Before, after. All right, if you want to download the free lookup table, Agfa Optima, go to presetpro.com, look under the free tab and check out LUTs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.